Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today we are going to present to you about just in time. My name is Nori, together with my team members Nur Zalifah, Nur Huda and Nur Mariani. So, what is just in time? Just in time is management strategy to increase productivity, improve quality and reduce cost of an operation. JIT aims to ensure that input into the production process, such as raw material or component, only arrive when they are needed. JIT production system can cut inventory costs as the production don't have to pay storage costs. Manufacturers are also not left with unwanted inventory if an order is cancelled or not fulfilled. Hence, this method requires the producer to forecast demand accurately. For history of JIT, JIT evolved in Japan after World War II as a result of their diminishing market share in the auto industry. It was first developed within the Toyota manufacturing plants by Taiichi Ohno, also known as father of JIT, that able to fulfill consumer demands with minimum delays. Basically, it implemented in Toyota plants 1950. However, it's well established after 1970. For your better understanding, let me show you a video.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Huda binti Muhammad Nasir. Today I will continue explain about the advantage of the just-in-time inventory management. Okay, the first advantage of the JIT inventory management is less space needed. We all know that when a company have a faster turnover of stock, the company don't need as much warehouse or storage space to store the goods. This can reduce the amount of storage an organization needs to rent or buy, freeing up funds for other parts of the business. This can prove that the company can minimize the inventory holding costs when they don't need to buy or rent a new warehouse or store to continue the production process. Okay. The second one of the advantage is waste reductions. This can be seen when the company have a faster turnover of stock. The company can prevent goods becoming damaged or obsolete in the storage. This can reduce the waste. Okay, this again save money by preventing investment in unnecessary stock and reducing the needs to replace old stock. We also can see that when less inventory can be damaged within the company, since it is not held long enough for storage, related accident to arise. Also, having less inventory give material handlers more room to maneuver, so we are likely to run into any store inventory and cause damage. Okay. The third of the advantage is smaller investment. GIT inventory management is ideal for smaller company since when the smaller company don't have the funds available to purchase huge amount of stock at once. So the company can ordering stock as and when it is needed. This can help the smaller company to maintain a healthy cash flow. Okay, by hearing to my explanation of the advantage for the GIT inventory management, we can prove that by using the GIT inventory management, the company can save their money. I think that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nurzaalifa Rasdi. So for my part, I will explain the disadvantages of the GIT system. Okay, firstly is the risk of running out of stock. When applying GIT system, this means that you do not carry much stock. This is because the stock is based on the demand forecast, and if those are incorrect, then you will not have the correct amount of stock readily available for your customers. By not carrying much stock, it is important to have correct procedures in place to ensure that the stock can become readily available and quickly. Next is customer dissatisfaction. If GIT system break down, the businesses might suffer from the customer's dissatisfaction. A company may not be able to immediately meet the requirements of a massive or unexpected order since it has a few or no stocks of finished goods. So, this problem will cause the customer to wait longer than usual to have their order to be fulfilled. Next is the need for higher IT investment. GIT system is quite complex to utilize without a computer and dedicated program. A company will need inventory tracking, order creating, sales predicting, and a host of other programs to make sure that this system work properly. This means that a large investment will be needed in both hardware and software, plus training time for management and employees. So, there will be extra labor costs, extra supervisory duties, and more time needed for the data entry. The last one is problems with natural disasters. A natural disaster such as tornadoes, floods, and other natural disasters can have a huge impact of business where it could interfere the flow of the goods to the company from suppliers, which could discontinue the production almost at once. The danger is not only what happens when emergency arrives near the business, but also in other areas where a business supplier happens to be. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. For the application part, let's enjoy our short video.
Where's Nori?
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. Just now we have finished with our presentation. So guys, do you all understand with GIT system?
I'm very clear about the definition of the GIT.
Wait. I'm not really clear with the application of GIT. Can you guys explain to me?
Okay, Nori, okay. Actually, I did prepare a short video on the application of Just in Time. Do you guys want to watch it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's quite interesting.
Yeah. Let me share my screen.
Hi everyone, my name is Nuruz Mariani binti Abdul Rashid. Firstly, you can see the application of Just in Time in Toyota Motor Corporation. It is an automotive manufacturer from Aichi, Japan. Their system is called as Toyota Production System, TPS. Toyota will produce its vehicles when they receive orders from their dealers. So by using the TPS method, Toyota will order only the vehicle parts that are needed to manufacture the vehicles from their suppliers. These methods has allowed Toyota to minimize their inventory of vehicle parts and maximize their production efficiency. Next, we have Xiaomi Corporation. It is a consumer electronic company based in Beijing, China. We might be wondering, how did Xiaomi manage to sell their high-quality smartphone but at a low price, right? Actually, Xiaomi takes the component of their smartphones from other companies. For example, their high-resolution LCD display are manufactured by Sharp, their high-megapixel camera are made by Sony, and the core Snapdragon processor are from Qualcomm. Xiaomi's manufacturing process are completely based on orders, so once Xiaomi receive a particular number of orders, only then they will start to procure the components from their suppliers using the just-in-time method. Since demand drives the manufacturing process, there is no surplus of raw materials to be managed, and that's why Xiaomi able to keep a minimum inventory cost. Lastly, we have McDonald's Corporation. McDonald's is a fast food company based in the United States of America, USA. By using just-in-time, McDonald's doesn't need to procure their raw materials in advance. This reduces its storage costs and ensures their raw materials to be fresh and high quality all the time. By using just-in-time, it also helps McDonald's with low inventory costs because raw materials like beef, bread, cheese, and chicken have low shelf life to be kept for a long period of time. In conclusion, just-in-time or JIT is an inventory management method in which goods are received from suppliers only when they are needed. It helps the business to reduce their storage costs, improve efficiency, and reduce wastage. We hope you guys enjoy the sharing and get benefit from it. That's all from us. Thank you.